Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2023 GMC Sierra, their half-ton pickup truck, and it comes in no fewer than eight trim levels. The Pro, the SLE, the Elevation, the SLT, the AT4, the AT4X, the Denali, and the Denali Ultimate. I had
the Ultimate Denali.
Thank you.
That's only 7.
It's not 7. It's a standard pickup truck, according to the government, half-ton flavor. Has 5 seats in it, including the driver. Exterior changes from last model year. Well, it was revamped in 2022, but the Denali Ultimate is all new for 2023. Huge chrome grille with bright lower valance and tow hooks.
Huge.
This thing has got everything on it, including the kitchen sink, except I haven't found it yet. Mm-hmm. Beautiful aluminum wheels on it. Really good-looking wheels on a pickup truck. Are you kidding me? Mm-hmm. Electric folding running boards, standard with this. Dual exhaust tips. All this is standard. And it also comes complete with the multi-pro tailgate included in the price. And I'll tell you that later. What could use improvement? Still looking for that kitchen sink. It does have
it's in the tailgate.
Well, it does have the optional carbon fiber bed at the high-end price of $115. Get it. Save yourself a couple £100. Interior highlights include a great new dash with a huge 13.4-inch horizontal infotainment screen. I'm telling you, GM did it right on this one. They took everything that the Ram had going for it, and they somehow integrated it into this pickup truck, and they turned the screen from being vertical to horizontal. Looks good, works great. Beautiful leather throughout the cabin with wood accents. Nicely done. Programmable instrument cluster. Bose sound, by the way, is also included. What I liked, GM has finally got something to compete with the Ram. What could use improvement? The large shift knob on the center console takes up too much room. I had to find something wrong with it.
Well, you like that fold-away thing on the Ford, too.
I like the fold-away thing, and I also like the dial knob.
I like the dial knob on the dash.
I prefer the dial knob on the dash.
Not going to do it.
You could always do the shift levers on the paddles with that. Shift paddles on the steering wheel, but the knob works for me. 6.2-liter V8 that has 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, and works through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating, 8,900 pounds. Haul rating, 1,680 pounds. Now, gas mileage, 15 miles per gallon city, 19 on the highway for a combined of 17. I got 16.8 over 249.3 miles. What I liked about it, plenty of power. What could use improvement? I think that they really should offer some sort of a hybrid option.
Good point.
That's just my idea. Do they offer any hybrids? Mars?
Not anymore. They did.
They're trying to skip over that, and I think there's tax reasons and things for that, but because the logical thing to do is put a hybrid in one.
Just a thought.
Well, it
doesn't have to be a
logical.
plug-in hybrid. Whatever. It just needs a little help in the mileage department. Ride and handling. If you like that 18-wheeler effect, this is it. What could use improvement? It was a little stiff compared to the competition. But, it's so minuscule, I don't think most people would know.
It's a new truck.
Well, it's that. But, this is an unloaded truck. I had nothing to tow. I had nothing in the bed of the truck, and the truck is built to do that. And that's how they adjust the ride and handling for each particular model of truck, and it's a 1500.
But like we were talking to Kevin Fitzpatrick there, if the battery adds 1,000 pounds, you could easily put 1,000-pound battery in that and have you a nice hybrid.
I guess. Well, it would be
too much logic.
Yeah. Let's not even go there.
General Motors don't make sense.
You're hurting my brain.
Base trim price, $80,500
for your Denali.
Price as
Ultimate.
Tested, $82,855 for my Ultimate Denali. Base model price, if you want to get into a GMC Sierra pickup truck, $42,800 is the starting price. Competitors, Ford F-150 Limited, $86,705. I went with the actual price comparison with the upper end models of the manufacturers.
If you had the upper end, that's good.
Ram 1500 Limited Crew, $81,565. And the Toyota Tundra Capstone starts at $77,040. Let's not keep you away.